Hey guys, Daryl Dyke with Noble Mortgage and Investments. Happy Tuesday to you. I'm sure everybody heard, at least in the Houston market, that they are calling for a shutdown of the city of Houston as of 11:59 p.m. tonight. My investors in Dallas, they pulled the plug on you guys already. So what does that mean for you as a real estate investor, or if you're already in the process of buying a home right now? Well, it's going to change things a little bit, but it's not going to change too much. One of the things that the city of Dallas and the city of Houston did was they adapted the same standards as what the federal government calls critical infrastructures. Okay, so what a critical infrastructure is: hospitals, food service, things like that. But one of the key ones is financial services. And financial services are things such as banks, even insurance companies, and any type of institution that provides credit. A mortgage company obviously provides credit. So Noble Mortgage is, obviously we're still open. I'm here at my office. I've got a limited staff. All my loan officers are working remotely, and I have my admin staff coming up here because it's just very difficult for admins to do their job and processors to do their job from the house. So right now we've got a limited staff, at least at the office. So what does that mean as far as getting a loan? Things are going to be slower. Appraisers are going to be taking a little bit longer. Surveys going to be a little bit longer. So if you're going to be purchasing a house, you need to be patient, and I would allow for a little more time to get your contracts, to get your properties closed. On the hard money side, of course, we can still move very, very quickly, but because most of the vendors that we do business with as well, like our attorneys and title companies and so forth, they're going to be moving a little bit slower. A lot of their staff is working remotely, so everything's going to move a little bit slower, so you need to be patient and allow for that. As far as conventional goes, Fannie Mae came out yesterday, and I'm sure Freddie Mac will soon adopt, basically saying that they were going to allow, in certain circumstances, drive-by appraisals. So that's really, really good. So the appraisal companies are still working. Fannie Mae is going to allow drive-by appraisals in certain circumstances. I haven't identified what those certain circumstances are just yet. Also, title companies are doing free mobile notaries. They will come to you or meet you somewhere. There's no extra charge, so that's a good thing. We work with Patent Title a lot, and they have sent out a memo to me and called me actually this week and told me that they're doing that as well. So that's good news. So things are still going to be moving along. You just have to be a little bit patient. Also, some of the conventional lenders that we do business with are offering virtual closings where you don't even have to leave your house. You can be at home and sign everything off via DocuSign. So that's really, really good. So if you're still looking for properties to buy and you're worried, some of the mortgage companies we've heard, especially a lot of the hard money companies, have stopped lending. Okay, we've heard several times. I've had calls from several of my competitors who are sending us their investors who need to borrow money, and we are still lending. What are we lending? How much are we lending? That all depends case by case. You know, this is a difficult time that we're all going through. We're going to have lots of, obviously, unemployment. Could be a spike in foreclosures in the near future. So cash is king right now. So if you have properties that are paid off that you can leverage, give us a call. We can give you cash out of those loans. You can also use those properties to cross-leverage certain deals. So if you have a property that's paid off and you're trying to buy another one, we can cross-collateralize those too. So give us a call. We're very good at thinking creatively and outside the box. But yeah, there are a lot of lenders that are not even lending right now. The ones who are lending are certainly being careful, and we're going to be the same way. We're going to be careful, but we're business as usual right now. Doors are open. Give us a call, 713-680-8100, if we can do a thing for you. And even if I can't help you, if I can at least point you in the right direction, my phone is always on. So you can call me anytime. You can email any questions. You can type questions into this Facebook thread right here. Always willing to help anybody, even if it doesn't benefit me, because I'm a big believer in the abundance mentality. So everybody stay positive, wash your hands, and just be careful out there, and nobody freak out. Everything's going to be fine. The grocery stores are going to stay open. A lot of the restaurants are still doing to-go food. They're just going to kind of try to limit our activity as much as possible. So everybody have a great day, and I'll be in touch soon.